Fundamental of basic Korean. Number 1. Vowels. When the Hangul was created during Chosun dynasty, Confucianism was adopted as state ideology. Therefore, Hangul was designed according to the Confucianism basic their components of the universe, heaven, earth, and man. The letter represents the shape of heaven. Horizontally written letter mean the earth, and vertically written letter stand for man. According to the Confucianism, yin-yang notion a vowels cannot be written individually. It means that a vowel must accompany a consonant and vice versa must be added at the beginning. If it starts with a vowel, it has no sound, but this letter ing has an individual sound when it comes at the syllable finally position. It is just to mention harmony of yin yang. Basically, Korean language has 21 vowels. 8 are called basic or plain vowels, and remaining 13 are called deep thongs or derived vowels, which are derived from the plain vowels. Diphthong means a sound consisting of two vowel sound pronounced as one syllable. Number 2. Consonant. Korean language has 14 consonants. First 9 consonants are called plain consonants. These consonants are pronounced slightly or without puff of air or tension, and the remaining 5 consonants are called aspirated consonants. These consonants are pronounced with a separate puff or air. Thank you and goodbye.